Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Koho's prepaid Visa card works. The Koho card is a prepaid, reloadable card that functions similarly to a debit card, but with the perks of a credit card. It's not a credit card, so there are no interest charges or credit checks required to get one. You can only spend the money you load onto it, which makes it a great tool for budgeting and avoiding debt. To use the card, you first have to load funds onto your Koho account. You can do this through various methods, such as an e-transfer from your bank account or a direct deposit from your employer. Once the money is in your account, you can use the card for purchases online or in-store, just like any other Visa card. One of the key features of Koho is its cashback and rewards program. Depending on your plan, you can earn cashback on everyday purchases like groceries, transportation, and dining. Koho also offers a high-interest savings account, and some plans provide no foreign transaction fees, making it a good option for travelers. The Koho app is a central part of the experience. It gives you real-time notifications on your spending, helps you track your expenses, and allows you to set up savings goals. It even has an optional credit building feature for a monthly fee. In short, the Koho prepaid card is a financial tool that gives you a spending account with budgeting features, cashback rewards, and the ability to earn interest on your balance, all without the risk of going into debt. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.